everyone, and welcome back to day 3 of Open Up the Heavens. My name is Mandy, and I am so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you to use sign language in order to worship God. Today, we're learning verse 2 of Open Up the Heavens, but before we do that, housekeeping, remember, I am left-handed, which means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. Look below this video in the description for lots of helpful links, like printing out the lyrics, and last but not least, please subscribe to the channel and check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. Okay, so, your presence in this place, your glory on our face. So once again, pointing to God in heaven, your presence, once again, we have those wiggly fingers, okay? Presence. So you're about chest height, wiggling those fingers. Your presence in this place, so place, you're gonna go touching your middle fingers and then around, okay? Place. Doesn't matter if you start out and go in or out, okay? Place. Your presence in this place, your glory, we learned that yesterday, right? So it's either like this or like this, whatever your preference is. Glory, and then on our face. I generally don't have time to do on our face, but if you do, go for it. But glory on our face. Okay? We're looking to the sky. We, and then looking to the sky. Let's try that from the beginning. Your presence in this place, your glory on our face, we're looking to the sky. Then descending, you're going to take 2 fingers like this and kind of show a descension. Okay, descending, then like, so you use the hand like this with all your fingers bent, your thumb and your pinky are out, like. Okay. Descending like, and then cloud is like this. Cloud. Okay? Descending like a cloud. You're standing. So you have your non-dominant hand here and you're mimicking standing with 2 fists together. Us now. Okay? We learned that in the first video in place of day, now. So that same hand position as like, but now we're twisting it this way. Now. Let's try that from the top. Your presence in this place, your glory on our face. We are looking to the sky, descending like a cloud. You're standing with us now. And then Lord, unveil our eyes. You're making an L from your dominant or your non-dominant shoulder down to your dominant hip, okay? Lord. Lord. Unveil our eyes. So open. So you have your index fingers here, your index finger, your thumb, and you're mimicking opening your eyes. Unveil our eyes. And then the same ending as verse 1. You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're here. And you're the reason we're singing. Okay, and that's verse 2. Let's practice that from the top. Your presence in this place, your glory on our face. We're looking to the sky, descending like a cloud. You're standing with us now, Lord. Unveil our eyes. You're the reason we're here, and you're the reason we're singing. Okay, one more time. Practice makes perfect, guys. Your presence in this place, your glory on our face. We are looking to the sky, descending like a cloud. You're standing with us now. Lord, unveil our eyes. You're the reason we're here, and you're the reason we're singing. And that's verse 2. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow when we work on the bridge. And the great news is that normally the bridge picks up and it's a quicker pace. In this song, it actually slows down and gives us a bit of a breather. Okay, so looking forward to that, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share sign language worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.